Question: can I file a case directly at the police station? A. Yes, you can directly go to the police station and file a case. Question: what documents are required to file a case? A. You need your ID card, details of the incident, and any supporting evidence. Question: what should I do if I don't know the name of the accused? A. You can file the case against an unknown person. The investigation will reveal the identity. Question: is there any fee to file a case? A. No, there is no government fee for filing a case.
Q. I can trade.
How can I submit my complaint? A. You can explain verbally. The officer will write it for you. Question: will I get a copy of my complaint? A. Yes, you can request a copy of your complaint or GD. Question: how will I know if my case is criminal or civil? A. The police will decide based on the nature of the incident. Question: what can I do if the police refuse to file my case? A. You can complain to higher authorities or go to court. Question: will I have to go to court after filing a case? A. Yes, you may need to appear in court as a witness. Question: what if someone files a false case against me? A. You can file a counter case and take legal action. Question: how long does it take to resolve a case? A. It depends on the type of case and court procedures.
Q. Can I file a case online?
A. You can file a general diary, GD, online in some areas, but cases are filed physically. Question: is a witness necessary to file a case? A. Not necessary, but it helps during investigation. Question: can I file a case for a minor incident? A. Yes, even minor offenses are taken seriously by the police. Question: can I file a complaint confidentially? A. Yes, in some cases your identity can be kept confidential.